morning, friends. How are you? Today I have come with a topic for CTET and PTET exam, that is about the teaching learning material. So, teaching learning material consists these days textbooks, multimedia and multilingual material. We have language labs also. Now, previously we had seen that only books, copies and teacher. That was the teaching material to teach any subject, even language also. Teacher used to be the central pivot, the monarch, and students were the subjects. But with the time, it has completely undergone a change. And it should be, because change is the law of nature. And it is a continuous teaching. Learning is a continuous process and very rapidly changing with the change of time. During my school days, we were taught English according to the translation method. The books were read, translated, lessons were translated. We used to cram up the questions and vomit them out in the examination. Then this approach was changed into playway method. It lasted for a time and then it was replaced by interactive approach. Interactive approach, now it is modified with the communicative approach. Friends, you must agree with me that the classroom teaching in the presence of students and teacher is never sufficient for the overall development of a child's personality. So many other props as are needed in the dance. The role of these material, this teaching material, comes in the field of teaching. Yes. Now for this purpose, we see in every school we have language lab. Yes, the language labs are set for making the child aware how to speak, how to listen, how to express himself or herself. For enhancing our knowledge, intensive study of textbooks, for putting the language into practice and developing speaking, listening skills, audiovisual aid provide a great help. Besides these materials, I would like to add that the opportunity to face the audience and to express our feelings, a platform or a stage should be provided to the students. They can play a great role for enhancing, from the very elementary teaching. The child should be groomed to recite poems, tidbits, small skits. All these efforts by the dedicated and innovative teachers can take their students long way on the path of learning. They can mold their destiny, make their career, and play a vital role in making them a multifaceted personality. Dear friends, survival of the fittest, healthiest, and strongest is the need of the hour. For this purpose, all these things, all this teaching material should be used with the capability of the teacher and according to the sources of the faculty, so that a child becomes multifaceted, multi-talented, and develop into a very attractive personality. Thank you.